So, let's talk about the problem you're facing. As a newbie to Python and Pandas, you're looking to optimize your code for better performance. The scenario involves calculating the total vesting value CAD for each tranche ID by summing all tranche IDs with the same employee ID, group name, and vesting year under certain conditions. The current approach involves filtering the data frame and summing values based on those conditions. Now, let's delve into the solution provided. In the solution, we start by defining a list of columns to work with. We then merge the data frame with a series of grouped and cumulatively summed values based on those columns, excluding the agreement date. Next, we adjust the column total vesting value CAD by subtracting the vesting value CD column. This approach efficiently calculates the desired values and ensures the correctness of the total vesting values. Continuing with the solution, we observe the modified data frame with the updated total vesting value CD column, showing the calculated values according to the specified conditions. This structured method simplifies the process and provides accurate results for further analysis or usage. Now, moving on to the intermediary steps, we see the detailed breakdown of the grouped and cumulatively summed values based on employee ID, group name, vesting year, and agreement date columns. This intermediate calculation forms the basis for deriving the final total vesting values accurately and efficiently. In the subsequent step, we focus on the transformation of the sum values into a new series with the updated column name total vesting value CAD. This transformation step streamlines the process and prepares the data for merging back into the original data frame seamlessly. Finally, after merging the calculated values back into the data frame, we present the data frame with the vesting value CAD in total vesting value CD columns for comparison. The adjustment made to the total vesting value CAD column reflects the total vesting values minus the current tranche's value, ensuring the correctness of the calculations. To wrap it up, by following the provided solution, you can efficiently optimize your code and improve its performance for calculating total vesting values in a structured and accurate manner. So, implement these steps and level up your Python and Pandas skills. Remember, the key is to work smarter, not harder. Good luck and happy coding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Maybe share a joke or two to keep things lively.